Hi guys, it's Gigi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a freckly, bronzy, gorgeous look that I've been doing a lot recently. And since I have this red, fiery, very like Lana Del Rey back in the day. Oh my God, that rhymed. I thought what better time to do this tutorial because I always get asked about my freckles and I feel like just a bronzy, gorgeous, natural, soft beat with a lot of makeup, but it kind of doesn't look like you're wearing that much makeup because there's like no colors involved, if that makes sense. Because you know she loves a really, really fierce beat. So without further ado, let's just dive into today's tutorial. All right, so before we dive into the look, I just wanted to say thank you FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video. As you guys know, it is a seasonal subscription box where you get full-size products for way cheaper than if you bought them all alone. And it comes to your doorstep and lets you try new things, which is always fierce. I got these cute little fluffy slippers from Splendid. Next, these little sai, I think how you say is literally, am I French? How you say? I assume you take your makeup off with. They're really, really soft. This Fierce Bath Gel from Islands of Italy. I hope it's bubbly. I like some bubbles, girl. This Grown Alchemist body cream. This I actually have been really wanting to try. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, that's cute. Do you see that? Oh, heard it smells really good. Ooh. She's minty. This Perricone MD Rejuvenating Moisturizer. Ooh, this iconic Glow Drops. Oh wow, look at me. Come on, Oil Central. And last but not least, this Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Serum. So thank you FabFitFun for sending all of that. And obviously all the details will be in the description. Along with every single product in this video, I have links for everything where you can buy, where you can find it, so it makes it a lot easier for you. So with that, let's dive into the tutorial. I need some makeup on this face. I'm looking at myself in the monitor like, God, I feel bad for that girl. Okay, so first thing is first, I'm gonna go in with the One Size Secure the Blur, what's it called, primer. I literally use this every single day. It's so nice and so blurring, and I really like it just like on my cheeks, on my nose, anywhere where I feel like I get oily or I can see pores. And my nose, oh, excuse me. Someone in my last video, my makeup tutorial, was like, don't burp, it's disgusting. I'm like, girl, if you don't think I've heard that before, and if you think I'm stopping anytime soon, I think you're on the wrong YouTube channel.
Get her, Jay.
Okay, and the next, why not go in since we have orange hair on and I'm seeing a little bit of darkness with the Dragon Beauty Skin Perfecting. It's like a color corrector. Just a little bit here. Now the part I've been waiting for. I'm gonna go in with my tried and true MAC Studio Fix. I can't even look at myself. MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC40. This is my tan shade. I'm spray tanned for the first time in what feels like, oh my God. Oh, thank God that didn't go on my top. Okay, let's try to do this without getting it in my hair. She's coming back to life a little bit. Oh. Next, concealer. You guys already know, Tarte Shape Tape is my favorite. Since I'm spray tanned, I usually go in with the light, but now I'm gonna go in with the light neutral. Just do the damn thing. Since we're not really doing that much eyeshadow and stuff, I want my face to be really like beat. Let that sit for a minute. Oh my God, also something that Jackie Aina talked about recently on her YouTube channel was confrontation and just like bad shit with friends. And I have to say, one of my biggest pet peeves is, what is it? Passive aggression. Passive aggressive people drive me up the wall. Say how you feel. No need to do these like one-worded little jabs and little sentences. It's so frustrating to me. I just absolutely hate it. And I've literally come to terms with the fact that whenever I have passive aggression like energy around me, I'm like, nope, thank you. Thank you for coming though. Okay, I am going to set this, do my brows, and come back. I'm gonna do my brows with a little bronzed redhead flare, and I will see you in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you guys know the Scott Barnes palette is absolutely my favorite. This is the contour palette, but it literally has just like every shade that I literally use on my face, this one being the most. So I'm literally just gonna be doing a little bit because we are already like really, really tan. But something that I wanted to mention is guess who's doing a podcast? Me. I am obsessed with talking and having conversations, and I've been doing, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've been doing a little bit more guest stars on podcasts just to really feel the waters, and I have decided that I really want to do one. I really want your help on what I should talk about, who I should have on for a guest, what maybe the name should be. I have a few in my little noggin already, but I would love your insight, obviously. Yeah, I'm really excited about it. Now, let's do blush. Jaclyn Hill came out with, well, I guess Jaclyn came out with Jaclyn Cosmetics. These blushes and I guess contours, look so good. I'm so excited. I've literally not yet used one, and I don't have a blush brush. Perfect. You can't go wrong with an orange blush in my eyes. It just always makes the face look fierce, warms you up, looks natural, and I love that sun-kissed look. I can't naturally tan. Whoo, mama, do you see that? Oh my God, I love it. So I'm gonna put it kind of all over the cheek, but like a little bit higher. I feel like that is gonna make it more natural. She also came out with 2 highlighters, Sparks and Mesmerized. This one is really bright. This one is Sparks. It's like almost a white. Mesmerized is like a little bit darker, I would say. Like, do you see the difference? Yeah, so I'm gonna start with Mesmerized because going in with this one first is just crazy. Oh, okay, pretty. A little bit more subtle. Actually, no, it's pretty mage. I've been loving starting my highlight up here, but then also when I look forward towards the mirror, like the camera, I like doing like just a little bit on the apples. I feel like it just makes it look like juicier. Now we're gonna zoom in and do the eyes. All right, so for the eyes, I wasn't kidding when I was saying simple, glowy, bronzy, fresh. I'm gonna go in with the Nikki and Beauty Bay collab eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go in with Mila and a little bit of Redemption just to tie that whole orange vibe together. And as I do this, I really want to talk about podcasts still. So some of my favorite podcasts are, drag queen podcasts are amazing. I love the Bob the Drag Queen and Monet Exchange sibling rivalry moment. There's also one, Kate Hudson and her brother, I believe it's called Sibling Rivalry. I love one from Snooki and her best friend Joey. That one's really fun. That one's kind of the vibe that I like the most because I just feel like I'm having cocktails with friends, and it's like, you know, can get deep but like rarely does. So it's a very easy listen. I'm like, okay, I'm just hanging out with girlfriends at lunch or whatever. The Bald and the Beautiful, Katya and Trixie, I've done that one. Just a bunch of good ones. I feel like also there's been so many new podcasts, everyone's like gagged on what to listen to. Okay, now I'm gonna do under the eyes, just literally the exact same process. Just really light, nothing crazy. With that same brush, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that orange and just blend her out. So now I wanna go in actually just on the lid, something so easy with that highlighter from Jaclyn Cosmetics in Sparkle, or Sparks. And the S is money, honey. Yes, of course, duh. And we're just going to put this on my lid and see how it looks. I feel like it's just gonna be really subtle. Yeah, just like an easy little lid. Make sure all that shit is blended together, of course. All right, now on to eyeliner. This could be the end all be all. I'm gonna go in with Blickety Brown from Hank & Henry. I'm not gonna use a black today because I feel like it's a softer look. I mean, it is very soft for me, obviously. And I feel like black is too harsh, and we want to keep this kind of like monochrome vibes. I'm going to focus doing this and not speak, so bear with me. Ooh, okay. Oh, this is my problem eye though. Please don't water. Not today, bitch. They're never gonna be even, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. Okay, lash time now. I'm gonna go in with these lashes that I talked about in my last tutorial. They're so inexpensive, and they honestly, I feel, make my eyes look so nice and big and doll-like. They're the Cook.
No, honey.
I got a lot of positive feedback last time from you guys, so I was kind of stoked on that. So I will see you when these bad boys are on and I've applied some mascara. Oh my God, don't hate me. I totally did my lipstick, everything off camera by accident, but I will tell you everything I used. For my mascara, I used my favorite, the Roller Lash from Benefit. For lip liner, I used the ColourPop Lippy Pencil. For the lip gloss, or lipstick and lip gloss, I used the Gigi Good X Christian Adet collab. And this gloss is just a clear, gorgeous gloss. I've completely ruined the inside because I went from lipstick to gloss, but what's it really matter? So now on to my favorite part of the look, the freckles. And this is the make or break, really, of the look. So this little tiny guy called Freck is the best freckle brand ever. It literally is called Freck OG, the original freckle. And then there's the Freck Noir, which is a lot bigger. I think this actually might be a sample, honestly. So basically all I do is I take this little tip, you put it on the side of your nose or desired area of freckles. And then I take my finger and I just press it all over, kind of pushing it into your makeup, and you see that already looks more sun-kissed, but the more layers you do, the better it looks. And I love this product because every time it turns out different, and it's such a great color. This stays really, really naturally freckly, and I get why they call themselves the Freck OGs. All right, so I decided to not use the Freck Noir because there's already a lot going on and this is probably way too dark, but the look is complete.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done.
Okay guys, that was all for today's tutorial. Please let me know any other makeup looks you'd like to see in the near future, any guests you'd like to see on my upcoming podcast. Please subscribe, hit that like button and the bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video every single week. If you haven't already, get into the Freck fantasy. Thank you FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Stay gorgeous.